you a quick walkthrough of installing a flow meter for a flow test. Any hydraulic attachments, really important to make sure that you have the proper flow and pressure adjustments to give you the longest life and performance out of any hydraulic attachment. We're going to be doing it on a breaker today, but before you start, always make sure that the machine is shut off and that you've relieved any pressure before closing off the ball valves so you don't trap any pressure. And then once you've removed all the pressure from the lines, maybe drain the tank off from pressure, then close your ball valves, and we're going to disconnect each line from the breaker and install our flow meter. Using a flow meter is not only the best way to install and set up an excavator for a breaker or any hydraulic attachment, it's also great for troubleshooting. So what we're looking for this hydraulic breaker, the HB2000, would be 39 to 50 gallons a minute. And we're looking for the 39, 50 gallons a minute between 2300 and 2600 PSI. So if we start out, we're going to load the flow meter up. We've already got the excavator warm. We can see that we have zero pressure. We have our flow, and we have return pressure. So as we increase the pressure, we're looking for an operating pressure range of 2300 to 2600. So here we're at our minimum pressure for the breaker. We're still above 39 gallons a minute. We're going to continue to increase to 2600. We're still above our 39 gallons a minute. And if we continue to increase the pressure, at this point here is where the relief is starting to crack open. Our flow is starting to drop off. Increase the pressure up until we hit full static pressure. So what we're mainly looking for is that we're not losing any flow between the lowest pressure setting for the breaker to the highest